Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cubing Lab, and today in this video I will solve this 3 by 3 by 9 Rubik's Cube. So this is very interesting and very easy puzzle, and we can solve this cube easily. If we solve if we can solve this cube, this 2 by 2 by 3 Rubik's Cube, so if we can solve this cube, so we will easily solve this 3 by 3 by 9 Rubik's Cube. So this is our 3 by 3 by 9 Rubik's Cube. In this cube we have 9 layers. You can see all layers are in vertical position, and this is our white face, this is our yellow face. So this is very easy and very interesting puzzle. So now I will scramble this cube and then we will solve this cube. Okay, I scramble this cube properly. So first step of this cube, we will solve our white face. So in this side we can see this is our white center. So first we will place 4 white edge pieces and then white corner piece, and we will solve our complete white face. As you can see, same like that first we will solve this white face same like this 3 by 3. So you can see this is our one edge piece same like 3 by 3, because in this portion we have one white piece. So first we will bring this piece down in this layer, and now if we place this piece in this side like that, so this is our wrong piece, because we match our piece from this angle, but you can see in this side these three are in vertical position and these three are horizontal. So first we will bring this layer down, take out of the way. Now we will rotate first these three pieces like that. Now we will bring this piece back and will bring it up. Okay, so we have matched one white edge piece and also we match these lines. So this is our proper method. So this is our second white edge piece. First we will bring this piece in down layer. So you can see these three pieces are vertical position and these three are horizontal. First we will take out of the way and rotate this side. Now you can see these are in vertical position. Now we will match this edge piece and will bring it up. So we have matched two white edge pieces. This is our third white edge piece. So same case in this side. If we bring it up, you can see these three pieces are vertically and these three are horizontal. So our cube will not be solved. First we will bring it down, take out of the way. Now we will rotate these lines like that, and now we will match this edge piece. So you can see our all lines are in vertical position, and now we will bring it up, and this is our last edge piece. First we will bring it down like that. Now we will fix in this side. Okay, so these are proper vertical position. We will bring it up. Now you can see we have complete our white cross by matching these lines. So this is our first step. Now we will place our 4 white corner pieces. So these two are already fixed. Now we will fix these 2 white corner pieces. So this is same 3 by 3 method. So R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. We have fixed another white corner. This is our last corner piece. we will fix in this side. Okay, now you can see we have complete our white face, and we have also matched these lines. So our second step is complete. Okay, now we hold cube like that. We will place our white side in down position, and we will solve our this middle line. You can see four lines are in our bottom side, four will be up, and this is our inner line. So we will solve this line. So we will solve this line same 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. As you can see in 3 by 3, we will place these edge pieces like that. You can see there is blue and red. So in top we have red color, so red is our right side. So this piece we will fix from left to right side. So we will fix this cube same like that, and similar in this cube sometime we fix our cube from right to left side. So this piece we will fix right to left side. So we will take out of the way and match these two pieces, and we will place in proper place like that. So this is our second piece, this is our third edge piece, and this is our last piece. Okay, so same this 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, as you can see we solve our this middle layer. So in this cube we will solve our this middle layer. So we will find from our top layer these pieces. So this is our middle piece. You can see this is green and orange. In front we have orange color. It's mean first we will match orange with orange like that. You can see in this side we have orange center piece. This is our center. So we match orange with orange, and our top we have green color. So our green will fix in our left side. So we will fix this piece right to left side. So we will bring in this position, then this left side will be up, bring this piece back. Now we will match these two pieces and take out of the way, then right side will be up and match properly. Okay, now you can see we have matched one piece properly. Now again we will find same like pieces. We can select this piece, we can select this piece. So this is green and red. So in front we have red color. First we will match with red center. Okay, you can see this is our red center. In top we have green color, and this time green is our right side. It's mean we will fix this piece from left to right side. So take out of the way, bring this up, bring this back, match these two pieces, and we will put these two pieces in this side like that. You can see we have fixed another piece. Again we will select this portion, and also we can select this. So there is red and blue. So this is blue center, and in top we have red color, and red is our right side. It's mean we will fix this portion left to right. So take in left side, bring this up, bring this piece back, match with this, and fix in proper place. So this is same 3 by 3 method. And last we have orange and blue. So this is blue center and orange in our left side. It's mean we will fix this piece right to left. Take out of the way, bring this up, bring this back, match these two, and fix in proper place. Okay, now you can see our white face is properly placed, and we have solved our this middle layer. You can see we have solved our this middle layer. So our this step is complete. Now our next step, we will solve our yellow face. So same like 3 by 3 we can solve. In this case we can see we have this kind of shape, I mean L shape. So hold cube like that and apply the algorithm F R U R prime U prime F prime. We have create straight line. Again apply same algorithm F R U R prime U prime F prime. So we have create plus sign. When we complete our yellow face, so this is our ideal position. This you can see, if we find this kind of shape, hold cube like that, I mean this corner we will place in our this side, and we will apply R U R prime U R U to R prime. You can see our white face is complete, our yellow face complete, white face complete, and our middle line is also solved. Okay, so now our next step, we will match these pieces, I mean 1 2 3 fourth line we will solve. So this is blue line. First we will find one blue piece, this fourth line. We will rotate these 4 lines like that. You can see this is blue line. Now we will rotate this blue side like that and match these two blue and will bring back. Okay, you can see we have matched blue piece, so our blue is done. Now this is green piece. We will rotate like that. So this green we will fix in this position. So bring this green side up and match this green and bring down. So we have done green and blue. Now we will fix orange and red. So this is our red piece in fourth line. You can see 1 2 3 and fourth line. So first we will rotate this red close to red center piece. Now we rotate this layer like that and we will rotate these pieces, and you can see these two red pieces are matched properly. Bring it down. So blue is done, red is done, green is done, and orange is also done. And you can see this middle layer is properly placed. So now we have fixed these pieces in fourth line 1 2 3 and 4. If I hide this cube like that, so you can see red line is done, green is done, orange is also done, and blue is also. Now we will fix these corner pieces. So you can see there is blue and orange available, but this is rotated. So we will find in fourth layer another blue and orange piece. So we rotate these 4 layer like that. Okay, now you can see another blue and orange piece we have find. So this piece is opposite. You can see green orange piece color in this side, blue in this side. But when we place this piece in this side, so this piece will rotated. So this is our right piece. Now we will place this piece in this side like that and apply algorithm R2 U R2 U prime R2. Now we bring this piece in proper position and apply same algorithm. R2 U, R2 U prime, then R2. You can see we have fixed one piece properly. Now we rotate cube in this angle. In this side we will need blue and red piece. So this is blue and red piece, but you can see this is matching properly. If we place this piece in this side, so this piece will be rotated. So we will find another blue and red piece. You can see in fourth line we have no any blue and red piece. So first we will ignore it, and from this side we will fix red and green piece in this side. So rotate these four line, and you can see we have no red and green piece. We will ignore this piece, and from this side we need green and orange piece in this side. Okay, you can see green and orange piece is available, and when we fix this piece in this side, so this piece will be rotated. So first we place this piece in this side like that and apply R2 U, R2 U prime, R2. One time we have complete our algorithm. Now we bring this piece back in this side and apply same algorithm. R2 U, R2 U prime, R2. Now you can see we have fixed another piece. So now we can check red and blue piece. So we will rotate these four line. This red and blue is available, but this is flipped piece. If we fix this piece in this side, so this will be rotated. So we ignore it, and you can see we have no any more piece. So we will leave it, and we can try from this angle. So we need green and red. So this green and red is available, but this is wrong piece. Take out of the way. Okay, so you can see we have no any green and red piece. So first we will take out this piece, so we can replace from any piece. So we can replace with this piece. So we apply R2 U, R2 U prime, R2. Now we bring this piece in this side, R2 U, R2 U prime, R2. Okay, so now we can check blue and red piece. Okay, now you can see we have blue and red piece available. We can fix this piece easily in this side. So first we will save this piece in this side like that and apply same algorithm. R2 U, R2 U prime, R2. Now bring this piece back and apply same algorithm. R2 U, R2 U prime, R2. So we have fixed our third piece, and now we will fix green and red. So first we will find green and red. Okay, you can see this is our green and red piece. So we will fix this piece in this side. First we save this piece in this side and apply algorithm R2 U, R2 U prime, R2. Now we bring this piece back and apply same algorithm R2 U, R2 U prime, R2. Okay, so now you can see we have solved our second layer. So now we will solve our this layer 1, 2, 3 and fourth layer. So we will solve this layer. In this layer you can see we have already matching pair. This is blue, this is blue, these two are orange, these two are green, and these two are red. So this green is already solved, and in from this angle if we change blue with red, so our blue will solve but red will come in this side. So we will rotate cube like that, and from this angle if we replace red with orange, so our red will be solved and orange will come in this side, and next time we will replace blue and orange properly. So we will replace these two pieces, and we have same this cube trick. You can see there is orange, there is green. We will replace these two pieces. So we apply our algorithm R2 U R2 U R2 U2 R2 U2 R2 U R2 U prime R2. So you can see we have replaced these two pieces. So same this algorithm we will use in this cube. Okay, so we will fix red in this side and orange will come in this side. So we will apply our algorithm R2, and we will rotate these four layers U R2 U R2 U2 R2 U2 R2 U R2 U prime R2. So now you can see we have solved our red piece, and these piece we have rotated. You can see this blue and red in this side, and this green and red will in this side. So we will just replace these two pieces, and our this portion will automatically solve. So now we will replace orange and blue. So we will hold cube like that and apply same algorithm R2 U R2 U R2 U2 R2 U2 R2 U R2 U prime R2. Okay, you can see we have rotated our these pieces, and our this third layer is also done. So we have completed our three layer. So again we will apply same step, that we will match in this third layer these pieces. For example, blue is properly matched, red is also matched, we need green, so this is green. We will rotate this portion and fix green in this side and bring it down, and orange is also matched. So you can see there is orange, green, red and blue. Now we are solving our this third layer, so we will use this third layer pieces. For example, in this side we will fix red and blue piece, so we will find in this third layer blue and red piece. So we have blue and red piece, but this is wrong piece. We will ignore it. We can solve this side. There we will fix green and red piece. So green and red piece we have available. So first we will save this piece in this side and apply same algorithm R2 U R2 U prime R2. Now we will bring this piece in this portion. Now you can see I am rotating three layer and apply same algorithm R2 U R2 U prime R2. So this is done. Green and orange we need, so we will find in this side green and orange. So this green and orange we can fix in this side. So first we will save this piece in left side, apply R2 U R2 U prime R2. Now we will bring this piece in this side and apply same algorithm R2 U R2 U prime R2. So we have fixed another piece. From this side we need blue and orange, so this blue and orange, this is wrong piece. So this is our right piece. First we will save this piece in left side and apply algorithm R2 U R2 U prime R2. Now we will bring this piece in this side and apply same algorithm R2 U R2 U prime R2. So this is solved. And blue and red, first we will find blue and red. So this is blue and red piece. We will place in our left side and apply algorithm R2 U R2 U prime R2. Now bring this piece back and apply same algorithm R2 U R2 U prime R2. Okay, now you can see we have solved our this third layer. Now we will solve from upper side this third layer. So first we will find any pair in this third layer. So this is not pair, this is also not pair, this is pair. You can see these two red are matching properly. So we will place our pair in this side like that and apply same algorithm of this cube. So we will place our these two pair in this side and we will apply algorithm R2 U R2 U prime R2 U prime, and from down side 3 layer down D R2 U prime R2 U R2 and D prime. So now you can see we have completed our all pair. This is green pair, this is orange, blue and red. Okay, so these two are already solved. Now we will replace these two pieces. So we will replace green and red. So hold cube like that and apply same algorithm R2 U R2 U R2 U2 R2 U2 R2 U R2 U prime R2. So we have solved this layer and now we will match properly. So now you can see our these three layers are rotated. So this is parity and we will solve this parity at the end. Okay, so now same step we will match these pieces. You can see this blue is properly matching. In this side we will match orange. So this is orange piece. We will bring this layer up and match with orange and bring this down. And now green. So this is green piece and we will bring this green side up, match with this green and bring this down. So this is red. So red is already matched. So red is done, green is done, orange is done and blue. Now we will fix these pieces. So here we need red and blue. So this is red and blue. First we will place this piece in this side and we will apply same algorithm R2 U. Now we are using two layer R2 U prime R2. Now place this piece in this side and apply same algorithm R2 U R2 U prime R2. So this is done. In this side we need red and green. So this is wrong piece, this is right piece. So save this piece in this side, apply same algorithm R2 U R2 U prime R2, and now put this piece in this side and apply same algorithm. R2 U, R2 U prime, R2. So this is fixed. We need green and orange, so find green and orange. So this is green and orange, take out of the way, apply same algorithm. R2 U, R2 U prime, R2. Now we will put this piece in this side like that and apply same algorithm. R2 U, R2 U prime, R2. So this is fixed. Now we have left with orange and blue, so we will fix this piece in this layer. First we will save in this side. R2 U, R2 U prime, R2. Now bring this piece back and apply same algorithm. R2 U, R2 U prime and R2. So we have solved over this layer. Now we will solve this second layer from top side. So first we will find any pair. So we have green pair. We will place this pair in left side and apply algorithm. R2 U, R2 U prime, R2 U prime D, R2 U prime, R2 U, R2 and D prime. So we have created all pair. This is orange pair, this is blue. Now you can see we will replace these two pieces. So we will replace green and red. So we will hold cube like that and apply same algorithm. So these pieces are also rotated, so we will place these pieces in our right side. You can see these three pieces are rotated and these three. So we will place these lines in right side and we will place these two lines in this angle and apply same algorithm. R2 U, R2 U, R2 U2, R2 U2, R2 U, R2 U prime, R2. Okay, now you can see we have rotated over this portion and we have left with these two pieces. So we will solve this parity at the end. So now we have solved this line. Okay, so now we have left with last layer. So this is white and blue. First we will fix this blue in this side like that. So this is white and red. So we will fix this white and red in this side. So bring this right side, red side up and bring this down. White green we will take side and bring this up and match with green and bring this down. And last we have orange, we will take side and match with orange and bring this down. So now you can see we have fixed 4 white pieces. Now we will match these corner pieces. So in this side we need blue and red. So we will find from this portion. So this is wrong piece. We have no any piece, so we will ignore this line. We will solve this green and red. So this is wrong piece. And we have no green and red piece. So we can start from this side. This is green and orange. Okay, now you can see we have one green and orange piece available. So place this piece in this side and apply same algorithm. R2 U, R2 u prime r2. Now bring this piece back and apply same algorithm, r2 u r2 u prime r2. So this is done. In this side we need blue and orange. This is wrong piece, this is our right piece. So first we will place this piece in this side and apply same algorithm, r2 u r2 u prime r2. Now bring this piece back in this side and apply same algorithm, r2 u r2 u prime r2. So we have fixed another piece. Now blue and red, this is wrong piece, and we have no another blue and red piece. So we will try first green and red, because our green red and blue piece is there. So first we will fix green and red. So green and red is in this side, so we will replace our piece with any extra piece. So r2 u r2 u prime r2, again r2 u r2 u prime and r2. So now we will fix red and blue piece. So this is red and blue, we will fix this piece in this side. So we will place this piece in this side, r2 u r2 u prime r2, and again we will apply r2 u r2 u prime r2. So this is done. And last we have green and red. So this is green and red. First we will take inside r2 u r2 u prime r2. Now bring this piece in this angle and r2 u r2 u prime r2. So you can see we have solved our this layer, and now we have left with our last layer. So same method, first we will find any pair. So this is pair, we will hold cube in this angle and apply algorithm, r2 u r2 u prime r2 u prime d r2 u prime r2 u r2 d prime. We have create all pair. So this is done, and we can replace these two pieces. This orange will fix in this side and this blue will come in this side. So we will hold cube like that and we will apply same algorithm, r2 u r2 u r2 u2 r2 u2 r2 u r2 u prime and r2. So you can see this is done, this is done, and now you can see we can replace this blue with this green. In this time we can replace our piece in this angle. So same algorithm that we can use in this piece, in this cube. For example, you can see in this side we have blue, in this side we have green. So we replace these two pieces. So we hold cube like that and apply r2 u2 r2 u2 r2 u2. So same algorithm we will apply in this cube, r2 u2 r2 u2 r2 u2. So you can see we have completed our last layer. So now we have done our complete cube. Now you can see we have rotated these two layers. So this red blue we need to fix in this side, and this red green we need to fix in this side, and similar in we can replace these two pieces. So this is our parity, and I make another tutorial for this cube parity. So I will solve this parity in this video.